Hello YouTube. Well, this is that time of the year again. It's winter. We've had a green Christmas here in PEI, but not anymore. It's been snowing about 10 centimeters every couple of days, so there's quite a bit of snow down on the ground, as you can see. Anyway, I hate this time of year. I don't have a shop yet, but anyway, this brings me to the title of this. Here's my trailer. Title of this video, which is my shop of 2016, which I'm going to be building and starting to build in the spring. So this is just a quick video of a few things I've started to assemble. I'm going to try to do it under $1,500. The shop is going to be 16 by 24, 8-foot walls. The first few things that I've gotten is this stove here. It's a, what is it called? A faucet oil stove. It's a gravity fed oil stove. Very simple. It's fed by a carburetor, gravity fed by a carburetor. This is the reservoir there. Right now there's a little bit of furnace oil in it. It came with this cap. It also came with the pipes for the chimney. I got that for $50, which is a great price. It's in good shape. I'll be painting it, but it's in relatively good shape. I will use this to heat my shop, and I'm going to heat it with waste oil because, as you well know, I have a small engine shop, and I have a lot of waste oil when I change oil and all the equipment. I'm going to be filtering it because there is a filter in this in the carburetor in the bottom of this, and if I don't filter my waste oil, I'm afraid it's going to plug and not flow. So basically, it's just there's a switch on the top here, and with your different settings, and it just drops the oil on the bottom, and you just chuck in a match and you light it, and the more oil you put, the hotter it gets. And this is what I'm gonna heat my shop with to start. My shop will be well insulated, so I'm sure this will do the trick. A few other things that I came up with. One of the things is this here. It's a 6x6. It's an 18-foot 6x6 old wooden beam out of an old barn. It's not hand hewn, so it's about 100 years old. I've also got a few other pieces there. 2 9-foot pieces. They're 6x6. That one has actually a bunch of square nails in it, as you can see there. What I'm going to do with those, my shop is going to have an I-beam running on the ceiling, and with a dolly with an electric hoist on it. So I'll show you. There'll be another video on my plans for my shop a little bit later on. But these pieces there's going to be 2 pieces across my shop, held up by 2 8-foot pieces on either side. And there's going to be 2 of them, and in the center of each 2 are going to be attached the steel I-beam. So so far I only found 1 8-foot piece and 2 9-foot pieces. I'm still looking for 3 others the same as these. I shouldn't have a problem. There is a barn, an old barn up the road that's getting torn down, and I'm gonna probably see in the spring if I can ask the guy if I can actually salvage a few beams instead of paying for it. I mean, I didn't pay much for these. I mean, the 18-foot beam cost me $20, and the other 2 9-foot beams cost me $10 a piece, so which is great, and they look great too. This is another thing that I bought. It's an old furnace tank for hot water. It has a valve here, and there's a place for a valve on the bottom. This is going to be my reservoir for my oil stove. I'm just going to probably plumb it with some copper pipe and have it come in probably in this here, just because I want to run my stove probably when I know I'm going to be in my shop for a lengthy time. I'm going to run it at night, and I'm going to need a better reservoir than a bigger reservoir than what I have here. I mean, it's not very It's not very large, and winters here get pretty cold, especially in January and February. So I want a continuous heat just so that the place can keep a little bit of warm, a little warmer. So when I do go in there, I can bump up the heat and it should be fine. Anyway, this is just a quick video of what I have so far. I'm still looking for a bunch of stuff. My shop's walls will be made out of pallets, and I will show you how I'm going to do that later on. But like I said before, the whole floor will be pressure treated lumber, and it'll be on skid, so I can actually move my whole shop. But anyway, so this is just a brief video. So if you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And there'll be another video coming up shortly of just my basic plans for my shop. Anyway, have a good day.